Water infrastructure and desalinated water in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is located in the Middle East continent with no perennial river. The country has only two sides connect to the oceans. The western part faces to Red Sea and has mega city in the middle. In eastern part faces to Persian Gulf. Saudi Arabia is one of the most arid countries in the world. The main water supply of Saudi Arabia comes from three major sources. First one is from desalinated waters. Second is from non-renewable groundwaters. And the last one, which is the small proportions, come from renewable groundwaters. Quality of service of water supply in Saudi Arabia is quite poor to average. In Riyadh, 2011, water use are supplied one time in every 2.5 days. In Jeddah, is available in every 9 days. Not only quality of service is poor, but quality of water is poor as well. From study of 5 major areas in Saudi Arabia, the quality of water exceeds the U.S. Environment Protection Agency standard. Water consumption in Saudi Arabia is divided in 3 main areas. Drinking water is 13% of total consumption. The biggest proportion of water used is for agriculture, which is 73%, and the last 4% is for industrial use. The water used in Saudi Arabia tend to be increasingly every year by approximately 4.3% per annum. There are 2 sustainable approaches for saving water in Saudi Arabia. The first one is water reuse. They treat the wastewater for reuse in landscaping, fresh toilet, gardening, and also irrigations. Next is to reserve the water by promoting and stimulating people have more awareness in values of water resource. The key water resource in Saudi Arabia is desalinated waters, which is 50% of consumption, and non-renewable groundwaters 40%, and last 10% of renewable groundwaters. The difference between non-renewable and renewable groundwaters is how deep of groundwater being discharged from. If it is very deep, it is called non-renewable groundwaters. Deep aquifer is a reservoir of waters which took many years to be formed. Basically, it's formed during the last ice era, which is 10 to 30,000 years ago. It is necessary to have alternative water immediately before disaster from environment will happen to Saudi Arabia. Desalinated waters is one of alternative water sources. The process of desalination is to pressurize seawater through reverse osmosis membrane, which is RO method, to extract the solid and heavy elements in water out and become pure waters. There is extensive production of desalinated waters in Saudi Arabia, and the largest desalinated plant is located in Saudi Arabia as well. Saudi Arabia is the best in desalinated plant. They integrated solar power plant and desalinated plant together to reduce greenhouse gas emission and power consumption, which is the better. in economically and environmentally. The latest innovation is floating desalination plant. Due to the impact from seawater collections of land-based desalination plant on sea life, floating desalination plant will be the better options to reduce environment damage. The plant can unplug water pipe and move to any wells that need more fresh waters.